The Google Pixel Watch 2 is quite similar to the first generation, with the same size and shape. It comes in one size, 41mm, and has a 1.2-inch AMOLED display with relatively large bezels. The main visual changes are in the band colors, with new options. The watch features a Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 chipset for better performance and battery life, promising 24 hours of use with the always-on display. There's also new fitness tracking hardware, including a stress level sensor and a skin temperature sensor, along with other health tracking features carried over from the first-gen model. The watch runs on Wear OS 4, offering some improvements in pairing and new apps for Gmail and Google Calendar. It introduces a safety check feature and comes with a 6-month trial of Fitbit Premium for more fitness insights. Overall, the Pixel Watch 2 is better than last year's model. It has a nice design, lots of workout options, and fast charging, making it a good choice for Android fans who want an alternative to the Apple Watch.